Hindi lang dito sa Davao, but also in the different parts of the world kung saan merong Pinoy. Barangay 23-C joins the Solidarity Walk for FPRRD.
Barangay 14-B community.
We go for justice, for reveal for our beloved and respected former presidents.
Ito barangay namin. Barangay Alfonso Diosa Senior. Mga kabarangay. Barangay Salsa. Leia. Barangay mo. Mga taga-Salsa. Panginoon. Barangay Salsa. At sa mga taga-Salsa. Barangay 3-A. Manginyan. Mga barangay.
I didn't really expect na ganito kadami. Kasi looking at 1,000. Boy, this is almost like 5,000 of them joining here this morning. Maraming salamat po.
Barangay Kunay.
Yes, protect the Filipino people.
Now let's welcome ang bagsik ng 2nd Congressional District Contingent!
The end of dito. Kami ang sa ibang pangulit ni Davao. We are stronger and we will be louder for you, FPRRD. See you sa imong birthday po, Tay. We love you.
Barangay Kunay!
Barangay Kumoy, mabuhay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Barangay Pagbaga!
Barangay Anglonggo.
Itaas ang banner para we can read. I am not a sub-Saharan for nothing!
Yes. Oh, yes.
From the beautiful people of Wakandamo!
Yes.
Okay, I'm asking everyone, let's have a unified chant, okay? Bring Tatay Digong home in 3, 2, 1, go! Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Okay, we will say President Duterte and you say bring him home.
President Duterte. President Duterte.
President Duterte.
Winawagan Barangay Panakan. Standing strong for FPRRD. We are not Filipinos for nothing. President Duterte, bring him home. President Duterte,
Bring him home.
ang dami pa.
Hindi pa natatapos. Barangay Wilfredo Aquino.
We are not a Filipino for nothing. We stand with FPRRD. We protect the Filipino people. Bring back the President Duterte.
President Duterte. Bring him home. President Duterte. Bring him home. For President Duterte. Bring him home.
Davao Women's Volleyball Alliance. Mabuhay kayo. We stand strong for our PRRD.
Thank